Okay, welcome back. So right now we're going to talk about different types of numerical data. Now there are two main types. There are discrete and continuous numerical data. Now when we have something like question 1a, the number of chairs in a classroom, we can only have whole numbers of chairs. It's only going to be 1, 2, maybe 32 chairs, but we're not going to have 32.567 chairs in a classroom, because 0.567 of a chair is probably not going to be made, or even potentially something that we would even find in that exact number. So when it comes to a number or a whole number of things that can't be separated, like the number of people, you can't have 3.5 people, you can only have 3 or 4. That's called discrete numerical. Okay, let's look at B. We have the weight of different types of fruit at a grocery store. So because the weight can vary between quantities of whole numbers, this is going to be continuous. We can have 8.5 grams, we can have 7.6 kilograms. Anything where we're not limited to essentially whole numbers or whole increments, then we have continuous data, or continuous numerical data. C, the number of students who walk to school each day. Again, when we're talking about the number of students, we can't have 3.5 students. We can't have 0.5 for a student. We have to have whole numbers, so this is going to be discrete. For D, the time it takes for water to boil at different altitudes. So time can be measured in minutes, in hours, in seconds, and we can also have decimal forms of that time as well. So this is continuous. Alright, let's look at E. So the number of visitors to a zoo each day. Again, each visitor is a person, and people can't be separated into fractions of themselves, so this is discrete. For F, the temperature recorded in different cities each morning, again, is going to be continuous. For G, we are looking at the number of pages in different books in a library. Now, we don't usually have half pages, so this is discrete. And then for H, the distance traveled by cyclists in a marathon is going to be continuous. Okay, here are a couple for you to practice, so give the video a pause, give them a go, and I will solve them in just a moment. Alright, let's get started. So for A, the number of cars sold in a dealership each month, we can only sell whole cars, so this is discrete. For B, the speed of runners in a 100-meter sprint is going to be continuous. For C, we have the number of emails received each day, which will be again discrete. For D, we have the length of different fish caught in a river will be continuous. And for E, we have the number of songs downloaded to a phone is discrete. And F, the time spent watching TV per day will be continuous. For G, we have the number of steps taken each day by different people, discrete. And for H, we have the amount of coffee consumed daily by office workers. This will be continuous because it will vary significantly.